By the end of this video, you'll know 10 genius home hacks that will make your life 10 times easier. Ladies, have you ever lost the cap to a bottle of wine or juice? Or found the lid too loose causing spills? It's frustrating, right? But don't throw the drink away just yet. I have a genius fix for you. Here's what to do. Cut off one finger from an old rubber glove. Wrap the bottle cap with a layer of plastic wrap. Stretch it over the bottle opening to create a tight seal. The rubber clings perfectly, preventing spills and evaporation, even if the bottle tips over. Have you tried this before? Let me know in the comments. Do you ever struggle to find scissors when cutting packing tape? Or get frustrated when the tape sticks to itself? Here's a simple yet effective hack that will save you time. How to do it. Wrap a zip tie around the tape roll's core, leaving a small end sticking out. Trim the end at an angle to create a sharp edge. Next time you need tape, just press it against the zip tie, and it cuts cleanly. No hassle. Tell me, ladies, what's your favorite life hack? I'd love to hear your tips, too. Ever struggled to peel off the plastic lid from a pudding or jelly cup? This trick will change your life. All you need, 2 bobby pins. Clip both ends of the plastic lid and twist one pin gently. The lid pops open effortlessly. No mess, no spills. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and share with your friends. How do you usually preserve rice bags after opening? Well, today I have a simple, zero-cost trick that will change the way you store dry goods forever. Instead of tossing out your empty milk cartons, save those plastic lids, because they're about to become your best kitchen helper. Here's what you do. Cut a small slit in the carton's lid, just big enough to fit the cap through. Slide the lid over the opening of your flour bag. To make it even more secure, fold the edge of the plastic bag, place a piece of parchment paper over it, and gently press with a warm iron for a few seconds. This will seal the bag instantly. No spills, no mess. Now, every time you need to use it, just unscrew the cap, pour, and seal it back up. Cutting pineapple can be tricky, but with this method, you'll get perfect slices in no time. The best way to cut pineapple: chop off both ends. Stand it upright and cut it into quarters. Follow the natural ridges to slice neat, bite-sized pieces. Now you have beautifully cut pineapple ready to serve at parties or enjoy with family. Ladies, have you ever looked at your sink and sighed at the mess of toothbrushes and razors? Maybe your husband's razor and your children's toothbrushes are all mixed up? Just grab an old zipper, loop it in a clever way, and voila, you've got yourself a neat hanging holder. This keeps everything dry, easy to access, and most importantly, perfectly organized. How do you usually organize your bathroom essentials? Share your tips with us in the comments. Did you know mouthwash isn't just for fresh breath? It's also a great toilet cleaner. How to use it: pour a little mouthwash into the toilet. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Scrub with a toilet brush and flush. Your toilet will be sparkling clean and smelling fresh all day long. Bonus tip: instead of spitting used mouthwash into the sink, pour it directly into the toilet for extra cleaning power. Have you ever felt frustrated with tissue papers scattered all over the place? Or maybe those store-bought tissue boxes look a bit plain and uninspiring? Well, today I have a super simple yet elegant solution for you. All you need is a beautiful glass jar. Just roll up the tissues neatly and place them inside the jar. And there you have it, a chic and functional tissue holder that keeps everything tidy while adding a delicate touch to your home decor. Does your stove get dirty and scratched easily, even after frequent cleaning? I have a secret trick to keep it spotless and grease-free. Wipe the stove clean with warm water and dish soap. Apply a small amount of Vaseline using a soft cloth. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then buff it with a microfiber towel. This forms a protective layer that repels grease and dust, making future cleanups a breeze. Ladies, have you ever had eggs break while storing or carrying them? Whether you've bought too many and need a safe way to keep them fresh, or you're taking them on a trip, I have a super simple trick for you today. You only need a plastic PET bottle, something we all have at home. Here's how to do it. Cut the plastic bottle to the right size. Gently place the eggs inside to keep them from cracking. When you need an egg, just open the cap, safe sound, and ready to use. Why this hack is a game changer. Prevents eggs from breaking during storage or travel. Keeps your fridge organized, no more rolling eggs. Eco-friendly and budget-friendly, reusing plastic bottles is a win-win.